How I'm earning £30 every day with £1,000 investment. App is called PT. Legit and completely safe. Make money by completing task. Easy fun thing is I'm not doing the task myself. Bot assistant is doing it for me. Let me show you how I did it. First, sign up using the link provided. Register and buy new mobile number. Buy the £1,000 worth of Facebook ads. For this you will need to transfer money from your bank or crypto wallet and upload the screenshot for verification. Once verified, your account will be credited with the amount. Next, you can do the tasks yourself or buy the bot to do it for you. You can do the tasks every 24 hours. You will have your full investment back within 33 days or earlier. From that it is just passive income, daily rewards, spins and referral program and many more. Boom. Hurry, you don't want to miss this. Like and subscribe for more.